Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Marcos here. We're going to jump right into my Robinhood account. Let's see what's been up to here. Jump up here. Currently sitting at $4,909. Remember, I have withdrawn money from this account. $550 out of this account for yesterday, which was Monday the 14th, December. I was down during the whole day, $126.26, which is 2.54%. After hours, it went back up to $55.03, 1.313. So I made almost 50% back on my money yesterday. For the week, I'm down $277.44. For the month, I'm still up $2,231.41. For the 3 months, I'm down $358.61. And for the year to date, which is since March I've had this account, I'm still down $551.42. That's 10% of my portfolio I'm still losing money on. So I'm here battling to try to make my money back and have and make more money over that. At least of my break even. My buying power is currently $97.30. I got a couple of call options here. Today I sold my Disney put. It's right here. 11 hours ago. I sold it for $95. And I purchased it for $82. So I made a $13 profit. Because it was a high risk move I did. I know it's not a lot of money, but hey, $10 profit is better than nothing. So that's what I did with the put. I already sold it because it was a risky put. I currently still have Oxy Petroleum here. Hopefully, I don't like nobody to lose money, but hopefully it drops some to try to make some of my money back here, which I'm currently losing $88 on this contract. Okay. Here's the and $78 on this other contract I'm losing. I got Ford. This is expiring in 2022, so it still has plenty of time to run. I bought the Ford contract because they trying to start to make last mile delivery vans. So a lot of companies are going to the EV market, and well, Ford could have so many plants they could output, you know, large quantities of these EV vans. So down here to my stocks, I still have one share of Nano Dimensions. I'm still waiting to see if it goes down to the 150 range for I could buy some more. Sorry, not the 150, 550 range to buy some more. It currently goes down all the way down like to around the 650 or something like that. Let me see how much it was here. 634. If it keeps moving like this and it doesn't hit the 5s, I'm gonna have to pick up my rate of what's my minimum to buy in, which would I think I'll put it around 635, because it's been hovering up and down in that high $6 range. So if I wanted to get a couple of shares, I might get some at 635 or 625. But I'm not really currently interested in Nano Dimensions yet to buy some of those shares. I did get some more LCA shares, which the ticker symbol will change to GNOG this Friday, December 18th. Price is currently sitting at $21.81. It was down today, 3.29%. After hours, it went back up a little bit. Here, it dipped down pretty good. So my average price is currently $16.38 when it was around the $13, almost $14 range. But I did buy some back because remember, I did take profit also when they went up to the $30 range. So I did take profit, and now I'm buying some more. But I was buying, I think, in the 20s. I see down here my transactions. On December 11th, I purchased at 22.38, 22.70, 22.64. But you see, I was buying shares 5 and 5 at a time. 22.74, 22.93. So I'm buying shares basically under anything under basically $23 because I'm not a financial advisor, but I know around Friday or after Friday this should be back in the $30 or more. They currently in business and they are making money, this company. So they should not have a problem to reach the $40 range basically. So while I will do on Friday, if it reaches back up to like the $32 range or something, I'll sell some shares. I'll actually, sell shares depending how high I see the movement in it. I don't have a problem keeping 50 shares, but the other 75 shares I'll be selling by parts between like maybe 25 or if not 10 here, 10 there, depending how much they're going for. But my minimum right now sale price would be around the $32 range to make a hefty, at least $10 profit. Actually, if I sell at $32, I'll be making almost basically double my money. I got NIO. I jumped into NIO. It's currently sitting at $41.46. And my average cost is $42.38. This is a long-term company to hold. They've been falling down a lot. They were down in the $39 range. Look at that. And I got it in there at $42. This is an electric car company, EV in China, which they're the only ones that are doing battery swamps in the car. So if you're low on batteries, you can just go to one of their swamp locations and they'll swamp out the battery to a fully recharged one. I got Hyliion. This is the commercial vehicle EV, which they have electric trucks and hybrid trucks. Powertrains. They do not manufacture trucks. They only do the powertrains. It's currently at $16.55. For the day, it was down 5.31%, and it went back up in the afternoon 0.91%. And my average cost is $17.69. So I'm currently losing $34 total. I'm currently losing on this. This is another long-term play here. NIO, Hyliion is a long-term plays. This is a merger company, PCPL. It's my average cost was $10.19. So this I'll be holding up until they do the merger. And right now, currently the price is $10.45. I might load up some more shares of those. APEX. Ticker symbol APXT. This is a tech company. I have a lot of faith in this one too, that it will jump up to around the $30 range also. They still have not mentioned anything about when the merger date is going to come through. But this is a very good company. Remember the company they going to merger with? It's a partner with Microsoft. APXT. It's currently sitting at $14.07, and my average cost is $14.50. I'm currently losing $25.62 in this stock here. BFT, this is like a payment system for online gamings between casino and games that you play on your phone, like Fortnite and all that. It's currently sitting at $14.75. This is another spec play that they're going to merge with a company. My average cost is $13.30. I only have 10 shares. I had more, but I sold them out. Basically, a lot beforehand. I made my money back. Matter of fact, let's go down here to see how much I sold them for. $14.07. $14.02. And I bought them at $13.50. So I made some money back. So basically, they have to go back down to the $13 range in order for me to jump back in. Because if not, I'll basically be losing money if I buy more shares at this rate. Because I sold at this rate. We're gonna go down here to the last one. This is a new one, Firm Merger 3. They will be merging before the end of this month, December. So this is why I got them. They dropped down a lot today too. They dropped 1.52%, like 19 cents, and they went back up 5 cents after I was trading. I currently have 10 shares at a average price of $12.60, and they're sitting at $12.35. So I'm currently losing $2.50 on this stock here. So those are all my stocks, all my shares here. Remember, people, when you guys are buying stocks, you always buy good stocks. And you guys buy, guys could buy spec stocks, or stocks that are gonna merger, and don't be afraid to take profits when those stocks go up. A lot of times stocks don't basically just keep going up. A lot of times they always have pullbacks. Right now LCA is having pullbacks. Hyliion is getting pullbacks, and if we go back 3 months, they were sitting at $49, $53. You see that in September 29th. That was their highest peak there. September 28th. And they just started dropping down, down, down. They haven't gave no news. That's another thing about this company. They have not given no news. Like currently, like this company, Hyliion, I bought shares at $17.69, which is a good price. If it goes up to, like, let's say up to the $30, $32 range, yeah, even if I have 30 shares, I don't mind. I'll sell 20 shares and keep 10. Thing is to grab some profits. It doesn't matter. Like I said, in the LCA, I'll probably keep 50 shares, but at 75 shares, I don't have a problem selling them to keep 50 shares long term. And if I see that the price goes up real fast to the high 50s, yeah, I'll sell it, and if necessary, I'll stay with 10 to 25 shares of LCA. I'll buy it back in when it comes back down, and when it does a pullback. APXT is the same thing. Once it goes up, I'll sell it around $24, $25. I'll sell some shares. I'll sell 20 shares at a time, 30 shares, and then when it pulls back, I might buy some more. That's the way I'm gonna make my money back. I've been making my money back like that. So Airbnb also, remember, this one started up last Friday. In the high, what was that? In the 145, 148, almost 150. I think there was one time it reached like 160, something like that. Not 100% sure. It says here 165, though, 52-week high. And this stock just started on Friday. The lowest was 125.16. And it's currently sitting at 126.50. I consider this price a pretty decent price to go in. But to me, I don't have a problem waiting to see if it goes back a little, maybe lower. To maybe in the 90s, it will be great. Airbnb. It's currently sitting at 126.50. It fell down today 6.64%. Which is $9.25. After hours, it fell down another 2.69%. So that's basically a total of almost 10%. It went down today. That was just today, Monday the 14th. Analysts right here are saying it. Sell Airbnb stock. Analyst says in reversal, it jumped too high after it debut. It went up too fast. AIV, this AIV, Apartment Investing Group, this is the stock that the S&P 500 dropped out of their ETFs to make room for Tesla. What they did, that the Oxy Petroleum was in the S&P 100. So the Oxy Petroleum, they dropped it to the S&P 500, kicking out AIV, Apartment Investment and Management. This is a REIT. So they kicked it out. They replaced it with Oxy Petroleum. And Tesla's going to take Oxy Petroleum's space in the S&P 100. This one wasn't a good price here. Tell you the truth, I forgot about it today. I wanted to buy some shares because I still might get some, but I think they could go a little more lower. I'm pretty sure they could go a little more lower. At the beginning of the year, they were sitting at the 46. Look at the 5-year terms. Let's see how $45 right here, the low point, 42, 41. So they are always averaging over $40 range, basically. They were in 2019, they were in the 50s, and 53 up to what happened. They went all the way down to the 20s. I saw here somewhere. $28 right there. Look at that, March 20. And right here, they fell again even more, I think. $25 range in November 6th. This is a REIT with a high dividend of 6.26%. And they have a 52-week high of $55.68 and a 52-week low of $24.53. Normally, REITs pay back, if I'm not mistaken, between 70 and 80% of whatever income they make. That's why they are REIT, and they have to pay it back as a dividends to their investors. I think it's between 70 and 80% of any income they make. So I think that's good enough for this video currently. Thank you for your time, guys. Have a good one. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not. I'm starting up, as you can see. I do these recordings while I'm working. I'm a truck driver. So I'm a normal person with a normal job, starting to invest in the stock market. Recording these over my phone while I'm on my break. Have a good one and happy trading, guys.